Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've watched my videos recently, you know that I have almost locked down on my planner system and I was contemplating between two of Neora planners. I actually bought two Neora planners. My intention was to just buy one. You know that I was looking for either B6 weekly or B6 daily planners, but you will see what did I get at the end. This is the B6 planner that I am unboxing. Can you guess what this is? Is it daily or weekly? If you know me, you know that this is a daily planner. So I got, obviously, this is the regular unboxing of the Neora planners. We've done it a million times. You have a thank you note, you have the Neora story, and you have the nice looking planner guide, which I have used surprisingly a lot of times. Sometimes you're just stuck and you want to use it. Um, the guide, and it is useful. I chose this really beautiful gray color. I'm in love with this. I chose both the new colors this time. Neora came up with quite a few new colors this time, and I think two of them caught my eye, and that is the reason I got this. This is the gray color. I'm sure this is called something. Kindly ensure the pen loop opening. Okay, there's a pen loop. Wow, they have a pen loop this year. So last year I bought two Neora planners, or three rather, three Neora planners, and this year I will have two Neora planners. Try to rip this. Oh, this color is really pretty in person. This is the Neora Daily B6 planner. I love the B6 size. I absolutely love the B6 size. I'm using the Sterling Ink B6 planner also at this point, and it has been used and how. So I thought this is my size and I'll stick to that. So this is the daily planner. Oh, there's a pen loop. This is a new addition. I think last year they didn't have a pen loop, but this year they do. I think I remember buying this pen loop also on Neura's website, if I'm not wrong. So I have a couple of these already, but this is really nice. It's matchy matchy, and it's a good thought. So I have used the Neura daily planners a few times. So I know what to expect. The first, obviously, is your name page. Then you will have the vision board. I have almost stopped doing vision board. This year, I did in both my Hobonichi weeks as well as Sterling Ink. I did sort of a goals page. I put out one, two, three, four, five essential goals, and that is how I will work. The vision board does not work for me. I think one of the reasons is I'm not a very visual person. I would like something colorful with my handwriting. That is why I love journaling so much. So that is the reason I don't think vision board will work. But something like a goals page, this has worked for me. Yeah. Then we have the yearly view. I have always struggled to use this, so I'm not sure if I will use it or if I won't. Then I have all the months together, which I really appreciate. And the reason that I chose weekly over I chose daily over the weekly planners is because I wanted the weekly views also. So here I get a vertical weekly and I get a daily page. So here I don't know what I plan to do at this point, but not having vertical was giving me FOMO. So in the Sterling Ink at this point also, I'm using the vertical weekly extensively. As you can see, this is the next week. I've already decorated till the end of the year. So I love the vertical. And I'm kind of conflicted if I like the vertical view better or the horizontal view. Somewhere down the line, I think I want to switch between the two, and that is the reason I got this daily instead of weekly. The quadrant um, structure that Neura has works for me for journaling, but does not work for me for planning. I don't know why. It just that is how my brain is wired. So that is the reason I chose daily over weekly. And whenever I wish to switch to a vertical, because next year I'm going to use the Hobonichi weeks, and I have this planner also. I'm going to show you this. So both of them are horizontal. So I thought of getting this so that I have a feel of what verticals, and if I want to switch to vertical at any point in time, during the year, I can definitely switch here. So that is completely my logic to get the daily planner. Once this all the weeks are done, you have your daily pages, which is very standard. Priority is affirmation, accomplished, grateful for. I generally ignore all of this when I am journaling because this will be my journal, but these are very non disturbing. You can always quickly either put a tape over it or just ignore and write the heart out. I think all of that works. Second, I think after this, there are some end pages, and they should be standard. Again, I'm not expecting anything different. Yes, all the habit trackers. Then you have expense trackers. I have not used this. Passion pages, this are really good for notes. And then year in review, I generally take the entirety of these 3 pages to do year in review. I will do a nice art um, spread or something at the end of the year. And with that, we have some bookmarks. Oh wow, there is one bookmark to this, which I wish there were more. Just one bookmark may or may not work for me, but I will generally add. As you can see, this is my Sterling ink. There are a number of bookmarks that are added. Right, this is where my weekly starts. This is where my notes pages start. So I will figure out my bookmarks. Oh no, there are more. See, I thought as much. One bookmark was just too little. Sorry, I missed it. So there are 3 bookmarks. So one for your daily, one for your weekly, and one for your yearly. Perfect. Now this works out. I don't need any further bookmarks to this. And I like the color theme as well. So one is orange, Neora orange. Second, let me just put this right in the middle. The second is the color of your book, and the third is the standard black bookmark. So I absolutely love this, and the thought process itself for daily, weekly, and monthly, that I absolutely love. And then there is a small sort of a secretarial pocket at the end. So this is what we have. This is really pretty. I absolutely love this color, as well as the choice that I've made. As I said, B6 was my preferred size, and I wanted um, weekly. But then I realized that I write a lot. I'm okay with daily. And moving on, I have apparently spent on another weekly planner. My son said, "Where is my planner this year?" And I told him to choose something from the Neura website, and he wanted something very similar to my Hobonichi, so he got this for himself. He does not journal for more than 50 days a year, but I'm okay. I mean, the habit is a habit, right? I just want him to get into the habit. So the same things you will get. There's a thank you note, Neora's story, and there is a way to use this planner. I will definitely need this, and I can take inspirations from this as well. And this is the color that I got. I chose the color for him this time. I told him, "Can you please have me choose the color?" And he was very kind to let me choose the color. I think this is called teal something. Again, this is a very rich bluish green color. You can see it for yourself. It's beautiful. And against the Neora orange, this I think looks really vibrant. And over the period of so many years, I've used red, I've used orange, I've used greens. I think at least 2 varieties of green. Green is my favorite color. So I'm always more inclined towards green. I've just got the lavender book, if you've seen my a few videos before. So I absolutely love experimenting with Neura colors. This is the Petite Weekly book, and I think this is perfect for a small child like my son to do any kind of journaling. This also comes with a pen loop. I'm really grateful for all these pen loops because I generally prefer carrying my pens around. So that is lovely. Then the first page, as usual, is your vision board. Then you have year at a glance, in this case, 6 months at a glance, then 6 months, and then all your monthly pages. And this is what I thought was brilliant. My son has to just record his journal only for like 3 lines with his large handwriting, and I'm sure he just has to write couple of lines and he will be done. If he needs more space, if he needs to stick things that happened that day, possibly a ride that he took, a bus ride, train ride, anything he wants to stick it, that is what this page is for. That is the reason I love the Hobonichi weeks. My son's seen me use the Hobonichi weeks all year round, and that is the reason he was attracted to this size. I think it is a good idea if we do kind of a comparison also between Hobonichi weeks and the Petite Planner. I think, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do it. One thing that I absolutely like about the Neora planners is obviously the color options and the sturdiness that it generally provides. Hobonichi Weeks is obviously very sturdy. I've used it. I've used and abused it for the entire year. But with Neora, the feeling is slightly different. This is more heavier. That is more lighter. So let me do a detailed comparison. But as usual, you have two bookmarks, because here you will have only monthly and weekly. There will be no notes pages or no sort of other things that are here except a few habit trackers, I'm sure. So let me go through this properly. So after the monthlies, there will be weeklies. Weeklies are vertical, horizontal weeklies. And once your weeklies are done, you will have the same old, same old. You will have the habit trackers. Then you will have the expense trackers and birthdays, anniversaries, passwords, basically passion pages, quite a few actually, and some notes pages. So you have a lot of extra pages in this. I didn't expect this to be, and a year in review, and then a small pocket at the end for your stickers and whatnot. So I think this is so perfect. Even if you're scared of doing any journaling, or if you think that you will not be able to fill up a page or anything of that sort, what I will recommend is write one line a day or one word a day or one sticker a day in your monthlies, and just write like 3 lines or 5 lines in your weeklies. Use this page either to doodle or to stick things or even write more, whatever like works for you. So I absolutely love this book also. And the same thing, right? The pen loop, everything. I'm so happy with this purchase. I will do a very detailed review of the page, do a pen test for the Neura books. I will also do a comparison between Hobonichi Weeks and the Neura Petite Weekly, um, and give you the lay of the land. So let me know if you need anything else from me. I also intend to do my planner stack and how my planners went in the last year, both the videos. So let me know if you need anything else from me till the year end, and I'll be happy to film that for you. Thank you so much. Bye now.